Let's dive into the secretive world of salami production, where the stakes are high and the flavors are rich. It's a journey where precision and tradition collide to create something truly extraordinary. So, how do they do it? The journey begins with a critical choice: selecting the perfect cuts of pork, beef, venison, poultry, wild boar, or possibly horse, depending on the final salami product. This stage sets the tone for the entire process, as the quality of meat directly influences the salami's flavor and texture. Pork is the most widely used meat in salami. It provides a rich flavor and an ideal fat content, which is crucial for creating a smooth, moist texture in the finished product. Beef is often used either in combination with pork or on its own. Beef gives the salami a deeper flavor and firmer texture. Venison deer meat adds a unique, gamey flavor that distinguishes it from more traditional types. It's often mixed with pork to balance the leaner nature of venison. Turkey or chicken can be used to make lighter salami varieties. These are less traditional and generally lower in fat than pork or beef salamis. Wild boar, similar to venison, is used in more specialty salami. It offers a distinctive, robust flavor that stands out for its richness and depth. Horse meat is used in some regions, especially in Italy and Eastern Europe. It is known for its lean texture and strong flavor. The stakes couldn't be higher. A single misstep here can jeopardize the batch, rendering hours of labor and precious resources wasted. Before grinding, the selected meats are precisely trimmed and cut into uniform pieces during the pre-cutting phase. This step is essential for several reasons. It ensures even grinding, which is critical for the consistency of the salami's texture and flavor. Smaller, uniform cuts facilitate easier grinding, reducing strain on machinery and preventing equipment damage. This preparation helps maintain the meat at a lower, more consistent temperature, crucial for quality and safety. This meticulous preparation not only enhances safety and hygiene by reducing contamination risks, but also speeds up the entire production process, optimizing efficiency and ensuring high-quality outcomes in the final product. As we move into the grinding phase, temperature presents a formidable challenge. Keeping the grinding environment sufficiently cold is paramount, as the fat within the meat must stay solid to preserve the salami's essential texture, which is a key indicator of its quality. The precision required at this stage is critical, involving a delicate balance between maintaining the meat's low temperature and enhancing production efficiency. The risks here are significant. If the temperature increases excessively, the fat will start to melt, compromising not only the texture, but also the crucial emulsification process that binds the fat and meat together. A misstep in managing this balance could result in a batch where the fat separates from the meat, yielding a product that is dry, crumbly, and devoid of the smooth, rich texture salami is celebrated for. Such defects could deteriorate the batch's sensory appeal, reduce its shelf life, and heighten the risk of spoilage and waste. This stage marks a critical juncture in salami production, where meticulous control over temperature is decisive in determining the batch's success or failure. Every degree matters, and maintaining strict temperature discipline is vital for ensuring the salami retains its distinct qualities. This blend of upholding traditional craftsmanship while integrating modern efficiency poses a complex challenge, crucial for every salami maker. The introduction of seasoning to the meat signals the start of flavor development in salami production. It's crucial that the spice blend is precisely calibrated. Any imbalance could lead to a product that is either bland or overpowers the meat's natural flavors. This stage requires a meticulous balance, ensuring the spices enhance rather than overshadow the inherent qualities of the meat. Achieving this harmony is essential, as it defines the distinct taste profile expected in each batch of salami, appealing to a wide range of people. This delicate process ensures the final product delivers on both richness and subtlety, capturing the essence of salami. The mixing phase is a key part of making salami, where all the flavor and texture come together. Different factories have their own way of doing things. Some add the spices before they start mixing, while others mix them in during the mixing phase, ensuring even distribution and immediate integration of the spices with the ground meat. Each method influences the salami's final flavor and consistency, tailoring the process to achieve specific taste profiles. The choice of spices makes each salami special. Basic seasonings like salt, important for curing, black pepper for a bit of heat, and garlic for a deep, rich taste are just the start. Fennel seeds add a light sweetness and a hint of anise flavor, while red pepper flakes can kick up the heat for those who like it spicy. Curing salts help keep the salami safe to eat and extend its shelf life, and sugars like dextrose feed the fermentation that happens later on. Some recipes also use wine or vinegar, which helps develop a more complex flavor and also aids in preservation. During this stage, big industrial mixers blend the ground meat with just the right amount of spices and curing agents. It's a delicate balance. Mix too much and the meat gets tough. Mix too little and you might end up with uneven flavors or spots that don't cure properly. The goal is to mix everything thoroughly but gently to keep the meat's texture just right. All these ingredients are mixed with care, ensuring that every slice of salami is flavorful and well balanced, showing off the art of traditional salami making in every bite. The transition to stuffing the seasoned meat into casings is a pivotal moment in salami making. This is where the salami starts to take shape, turning the seasoned and mixed meat into recognizable forms. At this stage, the choice of casings becomes crucial. Producers have to decide between natural or synthetic casings, each impacting the final product's texture, flavor, and appearance. Natural casings, made from animal intestines, are favored for their ability to enhance the salami's flavor complexity and ensure a traditional look and feel. They are permeable, allowing the salami to breathe, which influences the drying process and contributes to the development of a unique, rich flavor. On the other hand, synthetic casings, made from materials like collagen, cellulose, or even plastic, offer consistency and durability. These casings are particularly useful for producing salami with uniform sizes and shapes, ensuring each piece is identical, which is crucial for the mass production and consumer expectations. Synthetic casings are less likely to break during the stuffing process, reducing waste and improving overall efficiency. The choice of casing also dictates the final size of the salami. Different types of casings are suited for different sizes and shapes, which is why the selection process is so strategic. Using modern machinery, producers can fill each casing to precise lengths and diameters, ensuring uniformity across the batch. These machines are meticulously calibrated to fill each casing consistently, managing the pressure and quantity of meat to avoid ruptures or underfilling. This part of the process is laden with stakes, as any error in stuffing can lead to significant product waste and increased production costs. If the casings are unevenly filled, or if they burst during the process, it not only wastes valuable ingredients, but also disrupts the production line, leading to delays and potential financial losses. The skill in this phase lies in balancing the art of traditional salami making with the precision of modern technology to create salamis that are not only consistent in size and shape, but also maintain the high-quality flavor and texture that consumers expect. The accuracy of this stuffing process, therefore, is not just about aesthetics, it directly affects the salami's curing and aging process, which in turn influences the final taste and quality. Ensuring that each salami is perfectly encased and precisely filled is a critical challenge that can define the success or failure of the entire production run. The next step is the fermentation process. During this critical stage, lactic acid bacteria present in the meat culture sugars, lowering the pH, which not only helps preserve the meat, but also develops its characteristic tangy flavor. The duration of the fermentation process can vary, typically lasting anywhere from 24 hours to several days. This variation depends on factors such as the specific recipe, the temperature at which the fermentation is conducted, and the desired acidity and flavor profile of the final product. This phase is essential for ensuring the salami's safety and enhancing its unique taste. Following fermentation, salami enters the drying process, a crucial period where it is hung in controlled environments to slowly lose moisture. This process can take several weeks to months, depending on the desired texture and flavor depth. The stakes are high during drying, as maintaining precise humidity and temperature is critical to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria while allowing the salami to develop its rich, complex flavors. Any deviations in these conditions can lead to spoilage or inferior quality, jeopardizing entire batches. Properly executed, this phase ensures the salami achieves a perfect balance of safety, flavor, and preservation. After undergoing meticulous processing, salami reaches the final stage of production, packaging. At this point, the salami is either sold as a whole or sliced into thin, ready-to-eat pieces. The choice between these two forms caters to different consumer preferences and needs. Whole salamis are typically favored by enthusiasts who appreciate the traditional aspects of salami consumption. These consumers often prefer to slice their salami at home, believing it preserves freshness and flavor better than pre-sliced varieties. Whole salamis are also popular among those who may want to use larger chunks in cooking or who enjoy the aesthetic and experience of slicing salami themselves for gatherings or special occasions. Pre-sliced salami caters to a market looking for convenience and ease of use. These consumers are often busy individuals or families who value the quick accessibility of salami slices for sandwiches, salads, or as a ready-to-serve option for entertaining. The pre-sliced form is also ideal for those who prefer portion control and the simplicity of having a ready-to-eat product without the need for further preparation. For sliced salami, the risk of spoilage is particularly high due to the increased surface area exposed to air. To combat this, sliced salami is often packaged in a modified atmosphere. Oxygen is replaced with gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. This slows deterioration, keeping the slices fresh, vibrant, and safe to eat for a longer period. It's crucial that both types of packaging are thoroughly inspected to ensure they are airtight. Any leaks could expose the salami to air and contaminants, jeopardizing its safety and flavor. Faulty packaging risks not only spoilage but also potential recalls, harming consumer trust and leading to financial losses. Proper packaging is key. It protects the quality and flavor of the salami, ensuring it reaches consumers in excellent condition and maintains the salami maker's reputation while satisfying varied consumer preferences. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from prime cuts of meat to the perfectly aged slices of salami we love. This process artfully combines age-old traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting how it's made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.